Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies.
If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
Bitcoin may only need 4 weeks to hit $30,000 as key monthly close looms. Bitcoin is on an upward trajectory and appears to be approaching a key monthly close that could take its price to $30,000 in just 4 weeks. Analysts believe that next month will be crucial for the cryptocurrency as it has managed to stay above the $22,000 support level. If the virtual currency can break through $25,000, a new resistance level may be established. However, if the price falls below $22,000, it could drop back below $20,000. Voyager is selling crypto assets through Coinbase, suggests on-chain data. According to on-chain data, the cryptocurrency exchange platform Voyager is allegedly selling crypto assets through Coinbase. Data shows that Voyager has transferred Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies to an address linked to Coinbase on several occasions. This news comes after Voyager CEO Steve Ehrlich stated that the platform had no intention of selling any of its holdings in the short term. At the moment, the reasons behind these transfers are unknown. Coordinated Global Crypto Policies G20 Key Financial Stability Priority. According to Financial Stability Board Chair Randall Quarles, coordinated global crypto policies are a priority for G20 financial stability. Quarles noted that cryptocurrencies can have a significant impact on the global financial system and that it is necessary to address the risks and opportunities they represent. Additionally, he emphasized the importance of ensuring consumer protection and market integrity. The Financial Stability Board is an international body that coordinates financial regulation globally. BINANCE calls for boosting confidence in cryptocurrencies. BINANCE, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange platforms, has called on the crypto industry to boost confidence in digital currencies. BINANCE CEO Changpeng Zhao has said that mass adoption of cryptocurrencies will only occur if people trust them. Zhao also emphasized the importance of transparency and education in building confidence in the industry. BINANCE has recently come under scrutiny from regulators in several countries. Anything other than Bitcoin falls under SEC's control, says GENSLER. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission SEC Chairman Gary Gensler has said that anything other than Bitcoin falls under the SEC's control. Gensler made these comments at a hearing of the U.S. Senate Banking Committee. The SEC chairman also noted that cryptocurrencies offer opportunities, but also pose risks to investors and the market as a whole. Gensler said that the SEC is working on a strategy to protect investors from the risks associated with cryptocurrencies and to foster innovation in the market. TERRA in danger again. The cryptocurrency TERRA Luna has suffered another drop after a liquidation attack on the lending platform of the network, Anchor Protocol. According to reports, users borrowed large amounts of stablecoins and then sold them in exchange for Luna, which caused a drop in the price of the cryptocurrency. The price of Luna has dropped around 30% in the past 24 hours. TERRA has experienced a series of drops in recent weeks due to a variety of technical issues. SOLANA CEO hoses down claims network outages caused by on-chain voting. Solana CEO Anatoly Yakovenko has dismissed claims that recent network outages were caused by the platform's on-chain voting system. Yakovenko says the network is capable of processing 65,000 transactions per second, but that nodes on the network simply couldn't handle the amount of recent traffic. Some users had speculated that the on-chain voting system could be causing network bottlenecks. Is the SEC's action against BUST more about BINANCE than stable coins? The SEC's recent focus on BUST, a stablecoin backed by BINANCE, has led some to wonder if the SEC's true intention is to target BINANCE rather than stablecoins themselves. Although the SEC has signaled that BUST could be classified as a security, it has not yet taken legal action. Meanwhile, BINANCE has announced plans to establish a regulated entity in the United States. Crypto lawyers flamed Gensler over claims that all crypto are securities. SEC Chairman Gary Gensler has been criticized by cryptocurrency lawyers for his claim that all cryptocurrencies are securities. Lawyers argue that this view is too broad and that the classification of each cryptocurrency as a security should be evaluated on a case-by-case basis. The SEC has been taking a stricter approach towards cryptocurrencies and has been taking legal action against cryptocurrency companies in recent months. How can artificial intelligence impact cryptocurrency trading? Artificial intelligence (AI) is increasingly being used in cryptocurrency trading to automate the process and make data-driven decisions. AI can analyze large amounts of data in real time to identify patterns and make trading decisions based on that information. AI can also help reduce human errors and improve accuracy in trading. However, some experts warn that AI should not completely replace human decision-making in trading. BTC price needs to close February above 50-month trend line. Bitcoin BTC price needs to close above the 50-month trend line to maintain its long-term bullish momentum, according to technical analysis. Currently, the trend line is around $23,000 and is a key level for the leading cryptocurrency to continue to rise. In addition, the analysis shows that if BTC manages to close February above that trend line, it could have a bullish run towards $35,000. Ethereum testnet successfully forks in Shanghai upgrade rehearsal. Ethereum's test network, Ropson, has successfully completed the scheduled hard fork for the Shanghai upgrade. This upgrade seeks to improve network performance and reduce gas fees in transactions. The hard fork took place at block 10,499,401 of Ropson. The next step will be to implement the upgrade on the main Ethereum network, which is expected to occur in the coming months. Bank of England has no tech skills to issue CBDC yet. The Bank of England does not have the technical skills necessary to issue its own digital currency, according to the bank's deputy governor, Dave Ramsden. Ramsden explained that while the Bank of England has been exploring the possibility of issuing a CBDC, it currently does not have the necessary technical skills to do so. Instead, the bank is working with the private sector and other central banks to develop the necessary capabilities. COINBASE to halt trading of BINANCE's bust for not meeting listing standards. COINBASE has announced that it will suspend trading of BINANCE's bust on its platform from March 5th. The decision is due to bust not meeting Coinbase listing standards. Coinbase users will still be able to withdraw bust to other platforms. The move comes after BINANCE has come under regulatory scrutiny in several countries. Solana plans to improve its blockchain. Solana, a cryptocurrency and smart contract platform, has announced plans to improve its blockchain. Proposed improvements include increasing the network's transaction capacity, improving security, and implementing new developer tools. To increase transaction capacity, Solana will use a method called Proof of History (POH) that allows network nodes to verify time without requiring large amounts of energy. Additionally, the company also plans to integrate support for stablecoins and other cryptocurrencies on its platform. Coinbase lists Circle's Euro stablecoin EURUC. Coinbase, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, has announced that it has added Circle's EURUC stablecoin to its platform. The addition of EURUC to Coinbase will allow users to buy, sell, and store the euro-backed stablecoin. Circle is a cryptocurrency payments company that has focused on developing stablecoins backed by fiat currencies. The addition of EURUC to Coinbase is part of the company's effort to expand its offering of stablecoins. Bitcoin slides 5% in 60 minutes, hitting two-week low amid Silver Gate. The price of Bitcoin dropped 5% in 1 hour, hitting a two-week low. The drop came after Silvergate, a major cryptocurrency bank, announced plans to raise $300 million through a stock offering. The news led investors to sell off Bitcoin, which has been affected by uncertainty in financial markets in recent months. Despite the drop, some analysts believe that Bitcoin's price will recover in the long term due to its growing acceptance among companies and institutional investors. Ethereum core developers push Shanghai upgrade to early April. Ethereum's core developers have agreed to push the Shanghai upgrade to early April. The upgrade aims to improve network efficiency and reduce gas fees. In addition, the upgrade will include improvements in compatibility with other cryptocurrencies and enhancements to network security. The upgrade has been delayed several times due to the complexity of the development and testing process. However, developers believe that the upgrade will be beneficial for the network and help drive adoption of Ethereum in the future. U.S. Treasury-led CBDC working group looking at technical issues, national interest. The U.S. Treasury-led CBDC working group is considering technical and national interest issues related to the issuance of a central bank digital currency (CBDC). The working group includes representatives from various government agencies and is evaluating the potential impacts of a CBDC on the U.S. economy and society. In addition, the working group is analyzing possible applications of a CBDC, such as financial inclusion and reducing economic risk. The working group is expected to present a report in early summer. Brazil to launch its own CBDC in March, what it is and how it will work. The Central Bank of Brazil will launch its own central bank digital currency CBDC in March. Brazil's CBDC, called PIX, will be available to all citizens and businesses in the country. PIX will use blockchain technology to enable instant and secure transactions between people and businesses. The central bank hopes that PIX will help reduce dependence on cash and credit cards in the country. In addition, PIX may also help reduce transaction costs and improve financial inclusion in Brazil. Marathon and Riot sell their Bitcoin profits from February before price drop. Cryptocurrency mining companies Marathon and Riot have sold a portion of their Bitcoin profits from February before the recent price drop. Marathon sold 100% of its Bitcoin profits, while Riot sold 40%. The companies stated that they sold the cryptocurrencies to increase their liquidity and fund their expansion. However, some analysts believe that the massive sale of Bitcoin by mining companies may have contributed to the price drop. Celsius Custody customers finally begin withdrawals 263 days after freeze. Cryptocurrency custody company Celsius Custody has started allowing its customers to withdraw their funds 263 days after withdrawals were frozen. The company had suspended withdrawals due to regulatory compliance issues. Now, customers can withdraw their cryptocurrencies without restrictions and without additional fees. Celsius Custody has also implemented additional security measures to ensure the protection of its customers' funds. India explores offline functionality of CBDCs. RBI Executive Director. A senior official from the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) has stated that the central bank is exploring the possibility of developing a CBDC central bank digital currency that is fully functional offline. The intention is to allow people to make transactions in areas where there is no stable internet connection or where there is no access to electronic devices. Additionally, the RBI is also working on developing a stronger digital payments infrastructure in the country. Galaxy dips Bitcoin NFT market to hit $4.5 billion by 2025. Cryptocurrency investment firm Galaxy Digital has forecasted that the Bitcoin non-fungible token NFT market will reach $4.5 billion by 2025. According to a report by the company, the NFT market has been driven by the growing adoption of cryptocurrencies and blockchain, as well as the popularity of games and other applications that use NFTs. The report also notes that the NFT market is not limited to the art industry, but extends to a wide range of sectors. Galaxy Digital has highlighted that the Bitcoin NFT market is a significant opportunity for investors.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
Don't feel fucking at me.